Hi, kitty cats. I know it's been like, 5 days, I think, since I posted anything. I wasn't feeling great, and to add on to things, it's been storming here, and it's just been, which makes me feel worse. My arthritis gets really bad when we have storms and when it gets really cold. Today, it's actually not too bad out. Let me look. Let me see. It is, 47 degrees out. I think it was 53 degrees earlier. Or something like that. It's supposed to rain later tonight. So, yeah. My life's been a little hectic with the not feeling good and the snowstorms and just craziness. We had a lamp fall on one of the cats last night, and the cat is okay. He's just a little bruised up, I think. We've checked him over, and he seems okay. The thing is, I could call the vet, but I won't get an appointment for weeks. So it's like, and they're probably just going to tell me he's probably just bruised, but like wait and see how he feels. Because right now, like, the vets are not, they're not seeing a lot of people, and it's just crazy. Everything's crazy, you know. So, unless it's an emergency, I'm not really taking any animals to the vet. So, I'm just been crazy. Everything's crazy. And then we found out that our local, oh wait, you know what? I'm gonna do this first. So, this is the mask I'm gonna do today. I'm doing a Mask Wednesday today. This is the Pacifica Pollution Fight Blue Algae Urban Defense Facial Mask. That's quite a mouthful. Fight the good fight for good skin. I thought that somebody was calling me, but I'm losing my mind. Algae, kelp, and banana. Ugh. Every time I've done a mask with banana in it, it burns my face. So, but I've never done a sheet mask with banana. So, let's hoping that it doesn't burn my face. It's a natural fiber sheet mask. 100% vegan and cruelty-free. It's vitamin C, chia seed. There's lots of good stuff in here. So, Pacifica. I like some Pacifica products. It's hit or miss with me with Pacifica. I have some blushes from Pacifica that I really like, and their perfumes are fantastic. Skincare that I've gotten before, I've liked too, but I don't like, they had eyeshadow I got once, and I did not like that. Wasn't crazy about the eyeshadow. So most of the time it's been good. So let's see how this does. It's not overly juicy or anything. It's not dry, but I mean, it's not like soaking wet in juices, you know, like some of them are. That's upside down. Let's get this right? It doesn't even want to stick to my face. Hello, you need to stick to the face. Stick to the face. Yes. Okay. There it goes. Alright. I'm gonna put my glasses on over it so I can see you guys. It doesn't stick particularly well. So I got a feeling the more I talk, the less it's gonna stick. But that's the way it is. I'm seriously thinking, I think I should have cut this already. Oftentimes I have to cut that because it just falls off otherwise. So for 10 or 20 minutes, then remove mask and discard. So we'll do it for like 10 minutes. So what I was going to tell you was my local Aldi's is going to remodel. And I found this out just last night. That for the month of March, they're going to be closed. Like starting March 1st till the end of March, closed. And I was like, because at the beginning of the month, I go to Aldi's. Well, I don't go to Aldi's. I use Instacart and I order like all my meat and chicken. Pretty much for the month from Aldi's. Now this isn't always true. Like sometimes I'll grab things from other stores during the month, but I do grab a lot of it at the beginning of the month with Aldi's. I like to take care of that the first week of the month and get that taken care of so that I don't have to worry about meats. And I like to buy things in bulk. Aldi's is really cheap. And of course, the more you buy of something, the cheaper it gets per pound. So I like to buy big packages of the meat there. And so my freezer right now is packed. And they didn't even have everything I wanted. And I was just like, actually, I'm kind of glad they didn't, because I wouldn't have been able to fit it. I would not have been able to fit it. Because we actually had a lot of stuff in the freezer already. Not a lot, but we had, like, our freezer was about 3/4 full. Or not even, like, I don't know. It was like half full, a little over half full. So we packed a lot of stuff in there today. And I was going to do a grocery haul, but then I didn't. Sorry. I was going to, but then I didn't. But I got like a bunch of chicken and beef mostly. They had like no pork at all. They were like out of pork. Because I usually get some boneless pork chops. They didn't have any. So, and they didn't have any boneless country ribs. Because I was gonna like, that was like my second choice. Because, you know, you can do it that with Instacart. You can say, you know, this is my choice if this is out. And they're out of, like, both. So I just was like, forget it then. But they were, like, out of pork. And so I just got beef and chicken. And some frozen seafood stuff. But, so yeah, I got those products there. I'm actually making tuna noodle casserole tonight. And, tomorrow, maybe I'll make some chicken. I don't remember what I had planned out. I honestly really don't remember. I think I may have been planning on making pancakes, but I don't know. Let me look. No, I think pancakes was what I was going to make Friday night, but I don't know if I'm going to still make that. Because I was just trying to stretch things for the week. Because I wasn't planning on grocery shopping till next week. I was going to skip grocery shopping this week and try to use what was in what I just had already. Okay, so yeah, tonight I was making my tuna. Yeah, tomorrow I was going to make some chicken patty, but I think I'll just make regular chicken instead. So I'm going to delete my plan. I put everything in my MyFitnessPal ahead of time because I watch my sodium count. But I'm just gonna make like regular chicken. Chicken. So yeah, they're gonna be closed. So I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta get what I need now, you know. And I'll make sweet potatoes and maybe green beans. Maybe. I don't know about that for sure, but we're gonna put that in for now. And Friday night I was gonna make pancakes. I don't know if I'm still gonna make pancakes Friday night, but we'll see. It's a good night for pancakes, so I might skip out though and just be like Friday night's leftover night. Friday night's usually like get takeout night, but we're trying not to get takeout right now. We're trying to skip out on that, so yeah. But we got 5 more minutes for this mask that doesn't cling to your face very well. So Pacifica,
I feel like that's illegal.
a little disappointed. What's illegal?
It looks like you're ghost facing.
I'm ghost facing?
Yes. What do you have against ghosts?
This mask is supposed to fight against pollution. I guess the pollution that's gotten onto your face. So. And afterwards, it says no need to rinse face. Just massage remaining serum into face and neck. What remaining serum? There isn't much in here. Okay, well, whatever. I don't think I'll be getting Pacifica masks again. Kind of disappointing. So yeah, I have all these videos I wanted to make, but because I haven't been feeling all that snazzy, it hasn't happened. Because I still have to do the e.l.f. Metallic eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadows. I want to show you all those. And I have some Koki lip glosses I want to show you. So I got that. Oh, and you know what? I'm going to do this right now. I got an order from Colourpop, which my daughter's going to be super excited about.
What? Listen. Something's more important right now.
I got something for her in here.
Alright. The gift.
Yeah. So, I always get my daughter Valentine's gifts, and one thing that I wanted to get her came late was from Colourpop, because I thought it would be here by Valentine's, but it was not. And as usual, they have like a beautiful box inside of the box. It's very pretty.
Bad to throw away because it's so pretty.
But we're going to, because you know we can't really. Last thing we need is another box. So we got this. Thanks to Latte. Thanks a Latte. See that? Just steal the postcard. So I got this lippy stick. Their lippy sticks are much smaller than I remember them being. I haven't gotten one. I haven't gotten any lippies from Colourpop in a long time. But yeah, I thought they were longer. I remember them being like slightly longer. And this is in the color Lion Dance.
Pumpkin Lion Dance.
So. Pretty, huh? Let's see.
I think Pumpkin's questioning what you're doing.
I like that color. That's a good color for me. So we got that. And then I got an eyeshadow here. I think, yes, Super Sharp. No, this is a blush. I got a Super Sharp Cheek, or maybe it's a highlight. I don't know what's going on. What did I get? Oh, in the color Wisp. Yeah, it's a highlight. It used to be a very popular highlighter color. And I never got it when it was like really popular for whatever reason. I wanted to get Hippo, but they were out of the Hippo, which is like one of my favorite highlighters. So I got this for my daughter. The What a Hoot Pressed Powder Palette. Meteor Shower, Celestial, All Aflutter, and Who. And
carefully
yeah, I can't get it open, so I don't want to mess it up.
It's cute.
But I would still like to show them the colors.
Oh no, they don't get to see.
And the packaging.
It's nice and orange.
Yeah. It's like a peachy color. Little owls all over it. Cute, from the Animal Crossing game. And those are the colors. Aren't those pretty?
So pretty. They're owl colors.
There you go. So that was her Valentine's Day. I'd be so mad. I'd be laughing, but I'd be mad at the same time. I'd just be like, why? What is wrong with you?
I got you this.
Oh. So, and then I got this eye palette, the Baroque palette, which I've been eyeing for a little while. I've been like, oh, I think that's really pretty, but take that. Okay. So those are the colors. I'm much a more of a colorful person, like, but I was like, oh, I like these colors. Like, if I was going to do a smoky eye, I think I'd want to do it with these. They're considered to be, like, I think, cooler colors. So the colors' names are Booby, maybe? Boubie. I'm gonna say Booby. Ritzy, Bear, Secret, Noble, Etiquette, Lounge, Grand, and Stunner. So there they all are again. You can get a really good look at them. I'm really vibing on that middle color, which is Noble. That's very pretty. Like, we'll see what I do with them. I don't know, but I had my eye on it for a while, so there we go. Alright, so it wasn't a lot. That's why I was like, I'm not going to make that into like a big, stupid thing. I'm taking it off now. It can come off now. We've had it on for 10 minutes, and it's just, look how easy it came off. It wasn't sticking to my face. It was just, that was crap. So, and it says to rub serum, and there's nothing there to rub in. There's nothing there. So, not my favorite mask. I don't know if my face looks any better from it. I don't think so. So, not my favorite. But now I'm like, So this lippy, I definitely think probably my favorite thing out of here. Even though I've been eyeing that eyeshadow palette, I'm just wondering, am I really gonna use it? Because you know I'm into like color. And this is, you know, like very muted grays and such. So, I don't know. It's really pretty, but am I going to use it? That's the question. So, we'll see what happens. I wish they had my hippo highlighter, but they did not. And that's that. No hippo for me. I've been missing a lot of sales lately, too. Like, anytime there's a makeup sale, I find about it, like, after it's over. And I'm like, what? How come I didn't know about this? Like, I need, like, some sort of sale alert thing, because I'm not. And most of it is from, like, Pretties for Your Face. I've had 2 sales in the past couple months or something, and I missed them. I totally missed them. It's like I found out about them after the fact, and I was like, how come I didn't know about this? Because I follow the owner's YouTube. I follow her on Instagram. Like, how did I not? But you know, the algorithms always, they screw you. They screw you. So anyways, this is my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. And hopefully I'll have another one tomorrow to make up for the fact that I've just barely done anything lately. Thank you for watching. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it. It really, really helps me out when you do that. And, you know, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Otherwise than that, I hope you have a great week. And I hope your February was awesome. So, love you all. Bye-bye, kitty cats. Stay safe.